The statements in the following podcast have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The products that we talk about on this podcast are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Individual effects may vary among products. If you have an existing medical condition, please consult your doctor prior to use. 45 million Americans go on diets each year. There are conflicting sentiments regarding the effect of this national obsession. Yes, losing weight is often a healthy choice that benefits one's health. On the other hand, however, many people pursue weight loss in an unhealthy manner or do so for unhealthy reasons. What is the secret to stable weight and wellness? Rather than following fads, consider natural private label keto diet vitamins to help you achieve the results you want to see. When you begin losing weight, your body may shift into a mode known as ketosis. This is a stage of your metabolic process that involves burning fat, and when induced intentionally, it can help you lose weight quickly. Keto diet vitamins, such as the following 5, can further assist this process. So the first one we'll talk about is vitamin D. So vitamin D is one of the most essential nutrients to your body. It can be found throughout nature in foods such as fish, cheese, eggs, and of course, you can get it from your daily dose of spending time in the sun. But what are the benefits of this vitamin and how can it help your weight loss journey? Vitamin D can often defend against effects of ketosis that leave you feeling weak. The next is fish oil. Fish is often a major component of ketogenic diets. It offers the polyunsaturated fats and protein that keto dieters need to sustain their energy and remain physically strong. Eating fish isn't the only way to benefit from its nutrients. You can also take fish oil and enjoy the benefits of its supplement form. These types of keto diet vitamins are instrumental in helping you stay in ketosis and keep losing weight. So, how does it work? Fish oil's naturally anti-inflammatory properties help to counteract the potential inflammation caused by a diet rich in omega-6s. The next product is creatine. If you have ever heard of creatine, get ready to discover its superpowers. When you walk past the protein shake powder at the grocery store, you might notice that this is a primary ingredient in most of the formulas. Creatine is an acidic compound found naturally in your body's muscles, and you can build your muscles further by taking it in a supplement form. The next is MCT oil. What are medium-chain triglycerides, and how can its oil benefit you? MCT oil, as it typically referred to, is a supplement that contains fatty acids commonly found in palm or coconut oil. These acids are known to be effective in regulating blood sugar and helping your body stay in ketosis. The fatty acids trigger production of ketone body production, in fact, thus enabling you to continue to lose weight. That isn't the only benefit of these keto vitamins. It can also improve your cognitive function, keep hormones in balance, and boost your energy levels. The last we'll talk about is magnesium. Magnesium is a highly beneficial supplement for anybody who is on a ketogenic diet. Magnesium is an electrolyte that supports healthy functioning of your nerves and muscles. This is beneficial to anybody, but it is particularly good for people who are in keto because it supports the functions of your body that can be weakened by ketosis. It also serves to build stronger bones and maintain normal functions of the heart. So it is a holistically helpful supplement to add to your daily routine. These supplements can help you get the most out of your keto diet and lose weight the healthy way. Whether you are simply trying to improve your lifestyle or if you have a specific goal in mind, keto diet vitamins can help you on your way to wellness. Don't fall for fads and expensive products when affordable and effective supplements are readily available. If you are interested in learning a little bit more about private label keto diet vitamins, go to www.ionlabs.com to learn much more about this product. If you want to learn a little bit more, please read our blog article all about it online at our website at ionlabs.com. And by all means, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page to make sure that you stay updated on all of our brand new podcasts and videos that we release. As always, I'm Max, and thank you for listening to the Ion Labs podcast.